To become a Shopify affiliate, you need to understand the basics of the program and how it works. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals to create and manage their online stores. The Shopify affiliate program is designed to reward affiliates for promoting Shopify and its services to potential customers. First, you need to sign up for the Shopify affiliate program by going to the Shopify website and clicking on the affiliate program link. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and website URL. Once you are approved, you will be given a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote Shopify. You can share this link on your website, social media, or through email marketing. When someone clicks on your link and signs up for a Shopify plan, you will earn a commission. The commission structure is based on the type of plan the customer signs up for. For example, if a customer signs up for a basic plan, you will earn a certain amount of money. If they upgrade to a higher plan, you will earn more. To be successful as a Shopify affiliate, you need to have a website or social media following that is relevant to the e-commerce niche. You can create content such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts that promote Shopify and its services. You can also use paid advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. It is also important to follow the terms and conditions of the Shopify affiliate program. This includes not using spam or deceptive tactics to promote Shopify, and not making false or misleading claims about the platform. Some best practices for promoting Shopify include creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience, using relevant keywords and tags to optimize your content for search engines, and engaging with your audience through comments and social media. In addition, you can also use Shopify's marketing materials such as banners, images, and videos to promote the platform. You can also participate in Shopify's community forums and social media groups to connect with other affiliates and stay up to date with the latest news and updates. Overall, becoming a successful Shopify affiliate requires effort, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the best practices and strategies provided, you can increase your chances of success and earn significant commissions by promoting Shopify and its services.